Life lovers, we're here to wrap up that Wynn Las Vegas series with an overview. But first, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We livin' for love. So, life lovers, like Justin said, we are here to give an overview of the Wynn Las Vegas. We're wrapping up our series. If you missed out on any of the rest of them, you can go ahead and head down to the description below for links to all the rest of those videos. That includes We Livin' for Comfort, where we review a hotel room here. We Livin' for Food, where we checked out Earth Cafe. Or We Livin' for Cocktails, where we went to Parasol Down. And we checked out the Lake of Dreams, too. I cannot talk tonight.
Yeah, the lake.
Let's do a video.
Dreams. So what I want to start out with is the decor.
Right.
We're talking about that atrium. That's probably one of the most popular places at the Wynn.
Right, and it's so bright, so beautiful. There are lights all the time, so many flowers. Like, it's gorgeous. There's sort of like a weird, Wynn philosophy of trying to bring in natural light.
Yes.
And, you don't really see that much natural light in Vegas.
No.
Not when you're inside, at least.
Yeah, they don't want you to know what time it is.
Yeah, usually, and that's true at Wynn, too, when you're actually out in the casino. You have to look pretty far to find a window.
Yeah.
But, all of the surrounding areas where you check in, everywhere else, they've got tons and tons of natural light, which is super unique and makes it really beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And then the artwork, there's tons of good quality artwork all throughout the place.
Yeah.
Sculptures and garden areas, the tapestries. I mean, they go all out.
Yeah, it's super well maintained, super cultivated. It's wonderful. But if there is one thing that we do not like, he doesn't like.
It's the carpet.
It's the carpet.
Oh my gosh. Yes, it's the carpet.
And I'm with him.
I'm not going to win because of the carpet, okay? So it's not, that doesn't, make or break it for me. But when you're looking at all these amazing areas around the casino, around the property, it doesn't even match. And it's not even like a good contrasting, not matching type of deal. So,
it seems to clash with everything around it.
Yeah, so I don't know.
So when we stayed here, we stayed at one of the tower suites. So let's tell them what the tower suites are. They're kind of like a hotel within a hotel.
Yes.
Kind of like a Nomad or Nobu.
At the Caesars. Nomad at MGM.
Mm-hmm. He
Park
knows.
MGM.
The MGM. At the Park MGM.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's sort of this idea of an upscale hotel within a hotel. So along with that, there's a separate entrance for this, for the tower suites. There's their own check-in area where the lines are super, super short, and where we actually had somebody come up and greet us and walk us up to the counter because there was a massive line of one person ahead of us. They needed to make sure we were well taken care of.
Yes.
So
the registration area is huge, and the decor again is upscale. There's also even a lobby bar for the two guests that are down there.
Right.
I mean, it feels extremely exclusive, and it feels like you get your bang for your buck.
And shout out to Mary. Mary, you're right, not Marie. Dang it.
But hey, however you want to pronounce it.
Mary, who was just wonderful. She was great.
Yeah, she really was.
And one more thing that comes with the Tower Suites is that you get your own exclusive pool. 2 of them, in fact.
2.
Yeah, and it's just a nice little extra bit of exclusivity. Really cool.
Yeah, it's even on like an upper level than the main pool. So you definitely feel special if that's what you're going for.
So, food options. I mean, this place brings it on the food as well. So there's just all sorts of options for you, although most of them are super upscale. Yes. So, you know, the Wynn philosophy, you're going to pay for it.
Yes. But on the flip side, there's no garbage food, as we like to call it. If you're looking for cheap eats, yeah, look elsewhere.
Yeah, if you're looking for like a, you know, sandwich of Earl or Earl of sandwich. Earl of sandwich.
Sandwich of Earl.
Sandwich of Earl. If you're looking for an Earl of sandwich, or if you're looking for like an In-N-Out, or if you're looking for something, you know, just cheap eats kind of status. No. Yeah. There's some grab and go options, but even those are upscale and like.
I know. Be prepared to pay $20 for like a, you know.
Like a sandwich. A well-made sandwich.
A well-made, yeah.
A gourmet sandwich.
Or a croissant and a drink. Yeah.
We might have gone out in the morning and gotten croissant and drink. Guys, am I talking too much? He can talk.
So on the flip side, the bars. There's not too many bars, you know, jumping out at you on the casino floor. They do
basically parasol up, parasol down, and then lobby bars.
Lobby bars. They have Charlie's, which is the sports bar.
But then almost all the rest of them are actually attached to restaurants
or lounges, like actual dedicated, clubby type lounges. But no just basic bars. So the Wynn has the typical amenities. We're talking about the gym, the spa, convention center. What else?
They got that basic pool too. So even if you're not at the Tower Suites, you know there's definitely a hotel pool.
And it's not so basic actually.
I mean, it's beautiful.
It's immaculate. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a must go. So aside from the typical amenities, there's the not so typical amenities or special amenities. They have the Lake of Dreams, where we took you along during the We Livin for cocktails. We had, of course, cocktails there right before the show.
Yeah, we went to Parasol Down.
Parasol Down. So check that video out. But this Lake of Dreams has the bar attached to it, but also 2 restaurants. So with balconies, or promenades.
Yeah, like Lakeside and I forget the other one.
Lakeside and SW Steakhouse.
Yeah, so you can see shows from either one of those. And right now that's kind of cool because nowhere is really doing shows at the moment. So the Lake of Dreams is really kind of it.
Yeah.
So it's nice to be able to just grab a cocktail, sit out there, and enjoy a little bit of entertainment.
Yep, we sure did.
They also have a golf course, which is definitely not standard for Vegas. It's the only one on the Strip that has a golf course, and it's a full 18-lane. I don't know if you care about golf, but it's there.
It's there.
And we had a really beautiful view of it, including like the waterfall on the golf course, which you can check out in our We Livin for Comfort video. Yay for self-promotion.
Shameless. Check it out. So, Scott, tell the life lovers how you liked Wynn Las Vegas.
So if you watched the We Livin for Comfort video, you know that that one built it up a lot. Like, has been making me watch videos about it. We've been studying the life of Wynn, like coming for it. And I was thinking there is literally no way that this place is going to live up to the level of hype that it has received, with no chance. And it was pretty dang good. It was right there. Like, I didn't go, well, this is cool, but I wanted it to be next level. It was next level. And maybe that's because we were in the Tower Suites, but like everything from the way that we arrived to the check-in process to the experience being around, everybody was helpful and friendly. And like, we didn't get that we haven't gotten that at every location that we've been at since the pandemic hit. Like, it's still Wynn, right now, and I think that a lot of places are not what they used to be. So it was great. I mean, I'd be back, definitely. Now for the moment of truth. How did it live up for the star?
So everybody is going to know. If you know me, everybody's going to know what I'm going to say. It was amazing. So, okay. Let me start by saying the service.
So good.
Through the roof good compared to any other place. There was not one moment where I felt, ooh, that was not the Wynn way, or, you know, it was always, and I'm good at looking for bad stuff. Ask him. Always looking for something. So nothing with the service, the cleanliness, food.
We even did have one moment where they kind of messed something up, and it took one phone call, and it was like 2 seconds later they had something for us to fix it.
Yeah,
like,
and follow-up calls.
Yeah, did you get that? We just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, so
it's been 3 minutes, man. You're good.
Yeah,
like,
it was just great.
They really bring it.
The whole experience. I love the Wynn experience. You have to try it out for yourself.
Yeah,
that's all I have to say.
What the fuck was that?
Art.